Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Okay, everybody's unmuted now. Very good
Yes.
afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Welcome.
sir.
Welcome to the last day of our word problem special, elementary math 3. Tell me what you want to do today because I have something in mind. We'll do some problem on numbers and problem on percentage. Anything else you have? No, last day for this course, Mudit. Nothing to worry. Hi Prachi, how are you? Tanishka, Asta, Saksham.
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I am good, Prachi. So tell me, anybody has anything specific? Requirement, questions? Your own questions are there. Ask me. We are going to do very different type of questions. Let's try. Shall we start? Everybody is ready to go. Good to go.
Yes, sir.
Good to go. Good to go. GTG. If I ask a simple question, what is what is 30% of okay, Mudit, that's good. Question is what is 30% of, suppose if I say 30 dozens, how you do that? What is 30% of 30 dozens? So everybody knows 30% means 30 by 100. 30% means 30 out of 100. We know of means into 30 dozens. 30. What dozen means? 1 dozen is 12. Correct? 1 dozen is 12. So 30 dozen is 30 into 12. So we have to find out 30% of 30 dozen. So you will say 30% means 30 by 100 of 30 into 12. 1 0 goes with 1 0. 1 0 goes with 1 0. What is remaining? 3 into 3 into 12. It is not 360. 3 into 3 into 12. How much is 3 into 3 into 12? 108. So 30% of 30 dozen is 108. Getting it? If I ask you, which is more? 50% of an hour or 30 minutes? Tell me everyone. %50 of an hour or 30 minutes, which one is bigger or more? 30 minutes bigger. Shreya say equal. Tanishka say equal. Saksam say 50% is bigger. Asta says equal. Saksham, explain. You said 50%, then you say equal. Explain. When we say 50% or hour,
So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60
50% matlab
half
50
of
by
60,
100.
30.
50%
Given, so it's equal.
into 60 minutes, half of 60, 30 minutes. So both are equal. Correct? 55 minutes, 50 by 100. If I ask you this, 20% of 2 hours is how much more than 15 minutes? Tell me. Tanishka says 10 minutes. What are others? 20% of 2 hours. It is not difficult at all. 10 minutes, Shriya says. Shriya, explain.
So first we'll do
20% means
20 upon 100 into
of means
120.
120. How much is 20%? Means 20 by 100 off means into and 2 hour means 120. How will you solve this?
We will first cut the
One
zeros.
zero is cut. This is cut. How much is
So
coming?
24
24 minutes or hours?
minutes
24
because we
minutes.
converted 2 hours into minutes.
And 24 minutes is this.
Yes.
15 minutes is this. So how
Yes.
which is more?
24
How
minutes.
much more?
10. No,
How 10 you are saying, guys?
9. Sorry.
I am
9.
surprised everybody saying 10 or 81. Why? 9 minutes. I am surprised and unhappy. Thank you, Shreya. I am really unhappy. Such a easy question. Why no one could answer correctly? Mudit, Maitreya, any doubt? Shlok, Prachi, where are you guys? 20% of 2 hours. 20%.
Sir, actually, even I got 24 and I got confused after that part. Because it's 20% of the time. I thought you were asking what the rest time. Because it's out of 24. I mean,
No,
2 hours.
that's why it is a word problems, right?
Yes, sir. It was
That's a
kind
word
of
problem.
tricky at
But
the
I
first
still
time.
didn't understand, sir.
Saksham, you understand?
Yes,
Saksham, what is 20% means? Suppose Saksham you get 80% marks. Means what?
Means out of 100, I didn't get 20%.
No, I'm asking suppose you get 80% mark. Means you get 80 out of 100 or not?
Yeah.
So if I say 20% means 20 out of 100. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Off means what?
Multiply.
Multiply. So 20% means 20 by 100. Off means into. 2 hours means how much?
120 minutes.
So 20 by 100 into 120. Do you know how to cancel it or not?
No.
20 by 100 into 120. Okay, this is okay till now. This is okay.
Yeah.
You always cancel numerator with denominator. So you cancel
How,
this.
how did you get this 100?
Array. When you get, tell me, when you get 80% marks, means what? Saksham,
80% marks.
you get 80% marks, 80 out of 100 or not?
Yeah.
80 out of 100, 80 by 100, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, if I say you got 20% marks, so 20 out of 100, 20 by 100.
Okay, yeah. So
20
you
by
multiply
100.
20 by 100, so.
Not multiply, 20 by 100. 20% means 20 by 100. Then I said off.
Multiply.
See again, everybody. Saksham, because I want everyone to be crystal clear. This is easy, we'll do more difficult ones. Saksham,
Yes.
first read this. I'll remove this also because I want to read. First read this sentence, this letter, this word.
Percent.
20% means what?
20.
20.
20 by 100.
Any confusion now?
No.
You said where 100 came from. Where it came from? It came from percent.
Yeah.
What is written next?
Multiply.
Multiply. What is written next?
2 hours equal to 120 minutes.
2 hours means 2 into 60. If you want to do it right. 120, correct?
Yes.
So now whatever we'll get in the minutes or not, correct? Because minutes we have converted. So how to cancel? Cancel the top zero with the bottom zero. Always numerator and denominator will be cancelled. Okay? Cancel this zero with this zero. What is remain the top? 2 into 2.
Yes, 2 into 2, 4.
4 into 6.
4 into 6 is 24.
So 24 minutes.
Okay.
Because you converted to minutes, right? All this.
Yes.
So 20% of 2 hours is how much? 24 minutes. Correct?
Yeah.
So we are asking 24 minutes is how much more than 15 minutes?
We got the answer. 15.
Correct? 24
Nine.
minus 15 is 9 minutes.
9. Answer is 9.
Correct. Everyone is clear now? Mudit, say it now. What you want to say?
Sir, I don't have that question. I've written it in the chat. Ask for you to read the question from the chat.
So that I want. You have want to say anything?
Not exactly, because this chapter has already been done in 5th and 6th for me.
So fine. Everybody solve the question. But then you have to solve correctly, na, Mudit? If you've done already. 10 hours of 3 hours is how much more than quarter of an hour? Tell me who will solve this, and everybody right answer. Everybody try, we'll solve, because we are doing the word problems, guys. Word problems. 10% of 3 hours is how much more than quarter of an hour? Shlok, are you getting it? Yes. Tanishka says 3 minutes. Okay. Asta, Prachi, your answers. Shriya, your answers. Mudit says 3 minutes. We'll go step by step. First, Prachi, what is 10% means?
10 upon 100.
Guys, we'll do step by step. So 10 by 100. Everybody understood? Now, Shlok, what off means? Quickly, guys, be ready, please. What off means?
What do you mean, sir?
Shlok, I'm asking very clearly. We done the 10%. Now I'm asking what is the meaning of off?
Off is, sir. I'm saying
Off
that
is
off
multiply.
is.
Off means multiply. Do you know that?
Sir, I know that.
So you should answer that. When I say what is off means, you say off means multiply. Okay. Next, Maitreya. 3 hours.
Sir, but I didn't know you were talking about that off.
Have you seen the previous question or not? What you are doing then? You are seeing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen my previous question?
Yes, sir. Now
So
I
then
understand
what-
what you're saying. Thanks, sir.
Then why Shlok? Focus on here, please. You are intelligent, Shlok, but you don't focus sometimes. Maitreya, unmute. Maitreya is there?
Sir, he is, I guess. But I think
I'm not finding him. Okay,
Okay.
Saksham. Saksham, 3 hours means what?
he's not there.
3 minutes.
3
180
hours.
minutes.
How? Because 3 hours means 3 into 60. So we got this. Now, Prachi, how will solve this? 10 by 100 into 3 into 60.
We'll cut the zeros
We cut 1 0 from top.
and 1 from 60.
No. Wait, 1 by 1. No. We cut 1 0 from top to 1 0 to bottom. Correct?
Yes.
Now we'll cut another 0 from top. Another 0. What is remaining at top?
It will
3 into 6.
180. 180.
18. In the denominator only 1. So 18 by 1 is 18 minutes. Shriya, what will be the final answer then?
18 minutes and quarter of an hour is
Quarter means 1 by 4th, right?
yes.
Everybody knows quarter means 1 by 4.
Yes.
And 1 hour means what?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. 60 by 4 is 15.
15.
So 1 by quarter of hour means 15 minutes, correct?
Yes. So 18 minus 15.
18 minutes minus 15 minutes. Answer is 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
That's it. Tell me, anybody, any confusion?
No, sir, and Matra is joined.
I saw that. So good, everyone, good. Next question shall we do now? 10% of 10% of 4 kilogram or 40 grams, which is big, which is more? 10% of 4 kilogram or 40 grams, which one is more? Ten percent of 4 kilogram or 40% or 40 grams. Tanishka says equal. Okay. We'll wait for others. Asta says 40 grams. Okay. And everyone should answer whichever you feel. Equal is cis. Who is equal is cis?
Sir, sorry, I was this. Sorry.
I know that. So your answer is you are saying equal. Okay. What did Saksham says? What did Prachi says? What did Shlok says?
And also, so sometimes I do it on the laptop or sometimes I do it on the iPad. But on my iPad, there's an auto correction. So it auto corrected it from.
Put off auto correction. It creates so much bad.
Yes.
Priya
Sir.
says equal. Shlok says equal. Okay. Maitreya, what do you say? Didn't understand the question, Prachi. Okay. Prachi, you didn't understand the question. Unmute.
So it's equal.
It's equal. Okay. Prachi, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prachi, what is 10% means?
10 upon 100
10 upon 100. Read after that.
of 100
Of,
10.
Into. Then
Into
what is
10.
again? 10%, na again?
Yes.
10% means again what?
10 into 100.
10% means what?
10 upon 100.
Right? You know that. Correct?
By mistake is into.
Again, of means what?
Into?
Into 4 kilogram. Shall we convert into grams?
Yes, 4,000.
So, I'll write into 4,000. Any doubt till now?
No.
Cut. This 0 with this 0. 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 What is remaining at the top?
4.
Prachi.
4.
40.
Yeah, 40.
What happened, Prachi, today? Are you not seeing properly? Good morning. Are you still sleeping? Are you not seeing my screen? 40 is there, correct?
Yes, sir.
And in the denominator?
1.
So what is, though it becomes 40 grams, right?
Yes, it's equal.
It's equal because 40 grams. So both are equal. Thank you, Prachi. Anybody, any confusion? Any confusion, anyone? Shlok, what is dot 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 means?
Sir, I sent that by mistake.
Okay. So next, double of half of double of half of 10% of 2 hours is how much? That's fine, Mudit. Don't worry about others. So everybody, double of half of 10% of 2 hours is how much? Tanishka says 12 minutes. Shriya says 12 minutes. Tanishka, you will explain this. And next question will be Asta's question. Okay, Asta, be ready. And Tanishka, you have to explain slowly every concept. It's not just the answer. Okay, Tanishka, good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Have you taken lunch?
Yeah.
What do you want to share? What you ate today? Is it one? I'm just curious. What you eat in Nepal? The regular food. What is that? Is it
Paratha and aloo sabji.
paratha and aloo sabji? Okay. So 12 minutes. Slok says. Mudit says 12 minutes. Shriya says 12 minutes. Tanishka says 12 minutes. Asta, your answer. Where is your answer, Prachi? Prachi, what happened? So we'll start now with Tanishka. Tanishka, let's start. What will
Sir,
do?
is today the last?
Correct, Slok. Today's last class of this batch. Tanishka, shall we start slowly? Double means what?
2.
2 times. Off means into.
Multiply.
Half means
1/2.
correct, guys. This is the way we convert the word problem into numbers. See, I am teaching you how to convert word problem into numbers. So,
Sir, I wanted to ask you
2
a
double.
question.
Prachi, we have already explained earlier. Let me other try. So, double we did. Tanishka, half we did. And half off. What off means now?
Multiply.
Then 10% means what?
10 upon 100.
10 by 100. Then
Off means multiply.
again off means multiply. Then 2 hours means what?
2 into 60 minutes.
2 into 60 minutes. See, guys, this is the clear way of solving. Write everything in the numbers. Now, how will you solve?
So
Yes, Mudit, you will also get. After Asta, you will get. Tell me, Tanishka, what you will solve? 2 with 2
so
cancel.
we cancel 2. Yeah. And
1 0 with 1 0.
And
This
60
0 with this 0. What is remaining?
and 26. 12 minutes.
That's it. Tell me anyone. Was it difficult or easy?
Easy.
Too easy?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's try next question now. Very interesting question. Asta, you can unmute. Guys, this is a question for Asta. Okay, Asta, you will solve after 1 minute. Let everybody try. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So listen, everybody. This is the question. Asta is a businesswoman. Okay. She earns. I am putting less. Don't mind. Rupees 50,000 per month. Say 50,000 per week. Okay. Agree? Now, she has done excellent work, so her salary is increased by 20%. After few months again, her salary is increased by 20%. What would be her new salary? Asta, you will explain slowly, but later, after 1 minute.
Sir, I have a question.
Ask me.
Sir,
Yes, Slok.
sir, is bazillion a real number?
Sorry?
Is bazillion a real number?
Means what?
Bazillion. Is it a real number?
I don't know what is bazillion.
Is it a real number or not?
I don't know what is bazillion.
Some people say it's a number. Some people say it's a cooked up number. Sir, what is it? Is
I
it a
don't
real
know.
number?
I don't know. I have to see what it is.
Thanks, sir.
Fine. Let's solve this question, everybody. You are saying those trillion, 1 million, trillion, bazillion, that one? Huh, Shlok? Like we say million, billion, trillion.
No, sir. Zillion is there. Like some people say gazillion is a number that is zillion zeros, but I don't know what's a bazillion. I
No,
don't know if it's a real
bazillion,
number or
no,
not.
bazillion is just people say oh, so many millions. It's not a real, no value as such defined.
Okay,
It's
so it isn't exact or it isn't real. It isn't either of them.
It is not. Just a slang people
Thanks,
use
sir.
bazillion. Yeah. So everybody, Mudit says 70,000 will be her salary. Okay. Everybody should write 70,000 means what, Mudit? What would be her final salary? Her final new salary, okay? After all the changes. Everybody try. It is not easy, I know. Shaksham says 70,000, okay. Tanishka is so good. Tanishka looks like friend of Asta. She's saying 288,000. Very good, Tanishka. She will be very happy. Prachi, your answers? Any ideas? Shreya? Doing it, okay. So we'll take 1 more minute, Asta, and then we'll start together. Okay, Mudit. That's good. But Mudit, the answer you are saying is not right. I'll explain to everybody why. Shlok, what is this Shlok? Are you joking or you are solving it? Shlok, explain your answer.
Sir, I think my first answer is right.
What you wrote like this now, 999, it means this is not, this is a class.
Maybe it is that also. It can be that.
Can you read that answer and tell why it is that?
Maybe it can be that.
Explain, Shlok. No, I don't want any masti, please. Explain it. When you're saying that, what is that? I don't want unnecessary masti, okay? So if you are sure, tell me how you got this.
Sir,
Can you read this number
Sir,
first?
I'm
No.
not sure. I just thought of it.
No,
I didn't
but
get any kind of process for it. I just thought. That's
can
all.
you read the number we wrote, Shlok? You cannot.
Yes, I can read it.
Read it.
999.
Not the digits, the full number. Not the digits. Shlok, this is bad. I don't like this. Next time I will not allow you in my classes.
Sorry, sir.
I will not allow you. I'll talk to your
Sir,
mom
fine.
today.
I can't read it. I just
I
thought.
will talk to your
That's
mom.
all.
Do one thing. Ask your mom to call me today. Okay? This is bad. I don't like this. Okay? Shlok, ask your mom to call me today. I want to speak to her. Why Shlok behaves like this? Yes, somebody was saying something? Mudit? Or who was saying? No one? Fine. So, Asta, let's start. Asta will do questions step by step. Okay, Asta?
Yes, sir.
Everybody should quiet now. Let me explain this question, then speak. Okay?
okay, sir.
So, Asta, read from here.
Total earn is 50,000.
So, we can say current salary or present salary is 50,000.
Yes, sir.
Understand, guys, how we solve this question? 50,000. Know what it says?
20% increase.
20%. 20% of what?
50,000.
Good. So everybody know how to find because it says She has done excellent work, so her salary increased by 20%. Whatever salary is there, increased by 20%. So 20% of her salary.
50,000.
So 20 by 40,000, how will find? 20 by
20 by 100 into 50,000.
20 by 100 into 50,000. And most of you have done that, I know, but I tell you what problem you have done. So 50,000. So Asta will calculate this
10,000.
because 0 goes with 0, this 0 goes with this 0, 5,000 into 2 is 10,000. So 10,000 is the increased part, not the new salary, right Asta?
Yes, sir. We have to add into present salary.
Correct. Salary was 50,000 plus 10,000 increased. So how much new salary become now Asta?
60,000.
So now salary becomes 60,000. Now we do the last step. Yes, Mudit. Now you are getting. So Asta, 60,000 is the salary now.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we again says
20% of 60,000.
again 20% is increased. So she is saying 20% of new salary, which is 60,000. So
Yes,
20% again means 20 by 100
into 60,000.
into 60,000. Again we'll solve it same way.
12,000.
How? We'll get 0, 0 cancelled. Wait, where is my cursor? Okay. 2, 0 and 0 gone. This 0 and this 0 gone. 6,000 into 2, 12,000. But Asta, this is not the answer, right? This is the
We have to add
increased part.
into, yes,
So now
60,000.
final salary would be 60,000 plus 12,000 increased, right Asta?
Yes, sir.
Final answer will be what?
72,000.
That's it. Thank you, Asta. Got everybody? Final her salary will be 72,000. So you know why you got 70 only? Because you done 20% of 50,000 in the last. That is the problem. Right, Mudit? You got it finally. But everybody else, it's a 20% increase, then again 20% increase. But when second time 20% increased, her salary was already 60,000. Okay?
And yes, sir, I wanted to say something.
Tell me.
Like Shlok said, bazillion. I think actually it means 12 million or a dozen of a million.
No, it's not like that. It doesn't. See, it's like
I think so,
people
cause
use it. That's fine, Mudit. That's good. Let's try one more question. Mudit will solve this. Mudit has 400 ancient coins. Okay, Mudit. He loves coin. It's hobby. Mudit has 400 ancient coins. Then Prachi is his friend. So Mudit gives 20% coins to her. Then Saksham also is also his good friend. So Mudit gives 20% of remaining coins to him too. Finally, how much coins Mudit have? Mudit, you will solve and you will explain after 1 minute. Finally, Mudit will left with how many coins? That is how we have to solve. Okay, everybody? Saksham says 200. Okay, let's see. So everybody will solve and finally answer will be given by Mudit and everyone else Mudit will explain. Shia says 16, Saksham says 200. Keep writing answers. Saksham says 200. Guys, 20%. 20% is not as easy as you think. You have to calculate it. Okay. Keep solving, everybody. Okay. Mudit, after 1 minute, let people everybody try and then you'll solve. Slowly, slowly, one by one step. $16, $256, $256, $300. $256 left. Asta says, okay. Okay, Mudit, we'll start with Mudit slowly, slowly. Yes, Mudit, I know you are eager to solve, correct?
Yes, sir, pretty much.
Mudit, explain step by step.
So first, I have 400 ancient coins, and I've given 20% to Prachi. So it is going
Why you
to
don't
be.
given to me? Why you given to Prachi only?
Sorry, I've not written your name in the question.
Okay, Mudit, 400 coins. Then,
So it's basically 400 of 20 upon 100.
so gave to Prachi how much you said?
4
20% of?
of 400.
Understood, everybody? 20% of 400. How you calculate 20% of 400, Mudit?
20
20 by
upon 100
100
into 400.
which will be how much?
I just cut off the zeros.
Correct.
Then I'll get 80.
So
Then
80 coins, 80 coin he has given to Prachi. Prachi will say thanks to you. So how much coins left with you now?
320 because 400 minus 80.
So 400 minus 80, he is left with 320 coins now. Now what you will do?
Now I will find 20% of 320.
Sir, it must be
I'm left with that.
240, right?
See, what is 800? What is 400 minus 80? 320, right? Now, so now you gave Saksham also.
Yes, sir. I gave her 20% of 320 because I'm left with that many coins.
Gave to Saksham 20% of 320, guys. 20% of not 400. 20% of 320. Again, you calculate 20 by 100
So not
into 320.
Yes, sir. That's what I did. Then I got 64. Then I subtracted 64 of 320.
Finally, Mudit is left with, very good, Mudit, 320 minus 64. How much will be left with?
256.
That's the correct answer. Very good, Mudit and Asta and whoever got it right. Yes, Prachi. Got
Yes,
it,
sir.
Shlok. It is not 240 Shlok. 256. Any question, anyone?
Yes, sir. I have
Ask
one.
me.
It is.
Sir, my answer was 256, but then I also thought again.
Fine. Mudit, what you are saying?
Actually, this is connected to us brothers. Have we ever been clumsy kind of in any class?
That's fine, Mudit. Don't ask all this. First, let's focus on, because I don't want to talk anything else because we are doing class, okay?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry about
After the class, can you give the answer?
We'll talk about it if we have time, okay? So,
Yes,
got
sir.
everybody? This is very easy. Everybody is good? See, Prachi is saying thanks to Mudit. Good. That's a good attitude. Let's start next question now. One fourth of a number is let me form a question. One fourth of a number is 30 more than half of the original number. 30 less we'll say. Was the original number. Let's see who solves it. These are word problems. So try everybody please. Asta has solved it. Mudit has solved it. Prachi has solved it. Shriya has solved it. Tanishka has solved it. Shlok has solved it. Maitreya, you are there? Maitreya will solve this. Okay, Maitreya will solve this after 2 minutes. Everybody try it out. No problem, Saksham. I am there. I'll solve it. Anybody could solve this? Tanishka, Asta. Okay, I'll explain. Maitreya, unmute. We'll talk together. It is not as difficult. Everybody will feel so easy.
Yes.
Maitreya, unmute. Maitreya, 1/4 क्या होता है?
Quarter.
मतलब 1/4, right?
Yes.
Of into.
So
Correct, Maitreya?
audio, can you speak again?
Maitreya, 1/4 means 1/4.
Yes, sir.
Of means
Half means 1/2.
not half. Read the question. I am converting this question. 1/4 of.
Number is 30 less.
Of means into, right?
2. Yeah.
Of a number. Say number is n.
Number is n.
Is means equal to
Yes.
30 less than.
Half.
30 less than. Half of the original number. What was the original number?
The original number is n.
What is half of original number?
1/2.
1/2 of n.
Yes.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Read again. Read again. You will get it very easily. Read it again. Read the first line.
4.
Slowly. Say.
1.
Because you are explaining to everybody. 1/4. 1/4. Correct?
Yes.
Of.
Number
Of.
into
A number. Number means n.
n. Yeah.
Is means equal to. 30 less than.
Then half of the
30 less than. Minus 30. Half of. Half. Of means again into.
into.
Original number is n. See, we converted the word problem into equation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll solve. What is 1 into n? N.
1 into n is n.
By 4 equal to 1 into n again n. N by
2.
2 minus 30.
30.
So how we solve this equation is difficult, right, everybody? Maitreya, I'll tell you very, very important thing. This is the equation.
Yes, sir.
Multiply this equation with everywhere with 4. Everywhere with 4. Now tell me, when you multiply n by 4 with 4, what you get?
4n.
N 4n by 4. 4 and 4 goes
4n upon 4.
4n upon 4. So 4 and 4 cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
So n equal to, or let me write 4n by 4. We'll cancel later. So you said 4n by 4, correct? Equal to
Equals to
4n by 2, right?
yes, sir.
You multiply with 4 everything. Minus,
So
what is 30 into 4?
14 to 4 is gonna be 120.
Correct. Any doubt till now?
No.
Pakka, we just multiply with 4. Now, this is cancelled. N equal to, can we cancel this 2 with 4? 2 2s are 4. 2n
Yes.
minus 120. Or, if we take n this side, 2n minus n equal to 120, get that side.
Yes, sir. So
2n minus n is n. N
yes,
is
so
120.
n equals to 120 plus
Why,
4.
why plus? That's
So
it.
because
See, the equation is,
why not 2?
what is 2n minus n?
N.
N. So 2n minus n is n, so n equal to 120.
Okay, sir.
So final answer is, the word number is 120. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Got everybody? Number is 120. It's all about how you form the equation. Yes, Tanishka, 120. Saksham, understood?
How did
Yes.
you get into 4?
We just thought to multiply by 4 because fraction was having 4 in the bottom, right? So you can multiply with any number. See, in the mathematics, when you equation, you can multiply by any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because you want to remove the fraction. You said you don't like fraction, right? So I removed the fraction itself. Okay?
Yeah, I understood.
So I'll explain you everybody one more thing. Not this question, but suppose somebody says, say y by 3 equal to 2. If you don't like fraction, you know what you should do? If you don't like fraction, multiply everywhere with 3. So how left side become 3y by 3, correct?
Yes.
Right side become 3 into 2, 6, correct?
Yeah.
3 and 3 cancel. Y equal to 6. We remove the fractions again.
But sir,
Yes, please.
how do we know which number to multiply with?
You have to multiply with a number which is in the denominator.
But then in the last question, 4 and 2 were in the denominator, right?
So you multiply with 4, 2 anyway will go, right? Because 2 comes in the 4th table.
Yes, sir.
4 comes in 2's table. LCM. It's all about LCM.
But
Suppose a question is like this. Y by 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to say 1 by 3, okay? So I don't want fraction. So I can multiply with 3 also, I can multiply with 2 also. You choose first, which one you multiply. We'll do multiply. First, suppose say we multiply first with 3, okay?
yes, sir.
So how much you'll get? 3 into y, 3y
Yes,
by
sir.
3 plus 3 into 1, 3 by 2
No,
equal
sir.
to 3
What
by
about
2.
6?
Sorry,
What about 3 upon 6?
where is 6 coming here? What I'm saying? I think you understood what I'm saying. I'm multiplying by 3 whole everything.
Yeah, but you have not multiplied 3 in the bottom part, in the denominator.
Oh, I think you misunderstood. I'm not saying multiply. Did I say multiply numerator, denominator both? Multiply
No.
only the numerator everywhere. We never multiply denominator. We multiply denominator anytime? No.
So is it like take the biggest number?
Yes. So I'll explain you. You'll understand when after this question.
Okay, so
One fraction will go. Then we'll do one more time. So we multiplied. So guys, understand the concept first. Don't worry about which number to multiply. You understand. So I multiply by 3. So multiply by 3 here, so 3y. Multiply 3 here, 3 into 1, 3. Multiply with 1 here, 3 into 1, 3. So denominator is same only, right? Cancel this. So this is y plus 3 by 2 as it is. This is a different way of doing maths, so the maths become easy. 3 by 3 again 1. This is the equation become now. Now tell me, Mudit, the equation is y plus 3 by 8 equal to what you multiply with now. So fraction goes.
I will multiply with 2.
Correct, because 2 is there. So multiply. So 2y becomes 2y
Yes, sir.
plus
Plus 6
3
upon
into
2
6 upon 2. Good. Equal to
is equal to 2.
2. Or 2y plus what is 6 upon 2?
6 upon 2 is 3 upon 1.
So 3 upon 1 is 3 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So my equation becomes 2y plus 3 equal to 2. See, fraction goes now?
Yes, sir.
There. So if you see really, now you can solve the equation, say 2y equal to minus, that is different thing. We are not learning equation today. But what we are learning is, if your fraction is there, first you multiply with 3 everywhere. So 3 gone. Then later you multiply with 2. That's it.
Yes, sir. Quite
So
easy now.
it's all easy. Every time you have to just simply multiply. Suppose somebody give equation like y by 10 minus 2 equal to 3. So what are you going to do? How you simplify?
Yes, sir.
What are you going to do? You multiply with what?
Multiply with 10.
Multiply everywhere with 10. So 10y by 10.
10y by 10 is more like y.
That is the whole objective. Minus 2 into 10, 20. Equal to
Is
3
equal
into
to
10, 30. You will feel so easy, Mudit. This is gone. Y minus 20 is,
minus 20 is equal to 30.
so y equal to 50. That is the equation solving when you learn in y. 20 goes there, 20 plus 3, 50.
Yes, sir.
So we remove the fraction, right?
Yes, sir.
That is it.
That's
Okay,
quite
everybody. That's all for this workshop. I'll give 1 minute quickly. This is my next workshop calendar. We have very less time now. Already spent a lot of time before my next class starts. Hardly 1 minute remaining. See, guys, you just take a poster photo. This is my next week's new schedule. Okay. And thank you, everyone. Nice workshop. You all are interacting. So have a nice time. We'll meet again on 3rd of November with
Bye,
this
sir.
courses. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
So what about can me and Matri go for AM2?
You know AM2 you cannot go. You'll go for this AM3 geometry 4 p.m.
Oh, we can go for that.
Yeah, that is for you. Not AM2. AM2 anyway is not
Okay.
happening. AM2 anyway will happen in December. 3rd November AM3 4 p.m. That is what you can do. Okay.
So what can I do?
Taksham, with how many years old you are?
10.
You can do AM3.
Sir, this is M3 only now.
AM3.
Sir, what can I do?
Oh, yeah.
No, this is EM3. See, I am talking about AM3 geometry.
Sir,
Slok,
what
you also
can
can. You also. See, all of you can do AM3 geometry basics. Okay. Understood, everybody? 4 p.m. AM3.
So we can also do VMA, right? Me and Matri.
VMA is not happening now. It will happen 17th November. I am asking for next week only. We'll talk about everything again next week. I am telling the 3rd November courses only.
Oh,
See, VM1 you have done. VM2 is higher course. Some of you will not.
Sir, can you do VM3?
VM3 is very high course, not for you. Not now.
Okay.
First, you will do EM3, okay? All of you.
Yes, sir.
So take a snapshot. We'll meet next week. Register for it, okay? Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
And
sir. Thank you, sir.